In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your font on Roblox mobile. Okay, so first of all, if you have Roblox open, you want to make sure that you close Roblox. So you can open up your tabs and then you can see I have Roblox here. I'm just going to swipe up and then close it. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go into your settings. Once you're in settings, okay, you just need to search and then you type in font. And there you'll see the option font size and style. So click on font size and style, and then you can scroll down and then click on font size and style. Now for me, I have the Roboto font selected, and you can also make the font bigger by moving this slider right here. But if I tap on that, you can see I have 3 available fonts. I can hit the plus right there to download fonts. But I'll just go with, I'll stick to Roboto or actually Gothic Bold. And then what I'll do is I'll go back and then close out of settings. You want to make sure now that you just, so now what you want to do is you want to restart your phone and then it will implement the font change. And then what you can do is you can open up Roblox again and the font should be changed. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.